Setup of this facility with IBM will greatly enhance our service to the U.S. customers. So that's one of the major objectives of setting up the facility here in the United States.
Manager of Virginia operates city-owned and operated regional airports capable of handling executive corporate jets.
It will further enhance IBM's position by providing a wide range of technology to our customers. It will help IBM and its microelectronics division remain competitive in the world economy. Let me conclude by saying,
Well, obvious benefit is there's going to be substantial investment in the city in terms of building, tools and equipment, machinery, producing a revenue of taxes. You've heard of the number of jobs that will be added. There are a lot of pluses.